Plitvice Lakes National Park is Croatia's oldest and largest national park. Between the Mala Kapela mountain range in the west and northwest and the Lika Pljesivica mountain range in the southeast, the park is located in Croatia's mountainous area. The park is divided into two administrative counties, Lika-Senj, 90.7%, and Karlovac, 9.3%. This region has long attracted nature enthusiasts because to its extraordinary natural beauty, and it was declared Croatia's first national park on April 8, 1949. The process of tufa formation, which leads to the construction of tufa or travertine barriers and the formation of the lakes, is of remarkable universal worth, for which the Plitvice Lakes were officially recognized on October 26, 1979. With their placement on the UNESCO World Heritage List. The lake system is made up of 16 recognized lakes and numerous smaller unidentified lakes that cascade into each other. The lake system has been separated into upper and lower lakes due to the geological substrate and specific hydrogeological characteristics. Promsko Jezero, Sijanovac, Okrogoljak, Batanovac, Veliko Jezero, Malo Jezero, Ver, Galovac, Malino Jezero, Gradinsko Jezero, Burgadi, and Kozjak are the 12 lakes that make up the upper lakes. These lakes arose from impervious dolomite rock. The lakes flow into the Sastovci waterfalls, which are surrounded by the Korana River, which springs up beneath the base of the falls. Visitors to the Plitvice Lakes National Park can tour the lake system on 7 different routes and hike on 4 different paths. The park is open all year for tourists. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be notified when new videos are released. Thanks for watching.